Many people, when they hear conscious sedation, are confused. What is the difference between conscious sedation and hospital anesthesia?
It's a great question. So within the hospital systems, there's multiple levels of anesthesia. So the conscious sedation level here is kind of the more minimal end of things. In that level of sleepiness, you're breathing for yourself in a nice dreamlike state. That type of anesthesia does happen in the hospitals. Say you're having a colonoscopy or something small like that. However, also in the hospital ranges to very big procedures where much deeper levels of anesthesia are required than, say, in the dental industry. So the difference is in the hospital, typically patients have a lot of more comorbidities, meaning they have a lot more diagnoses or conditions that are affecting them. And the procedures are much more complex and involved, so that level of sedation needs to be as deep as it can be. Whereas here we can kind of be in a nice sleepy state in and out of dream world.
And usually patients don't remember.
They really don't have much recall. I'd like to tell patients, because we aren't in that super deep level of anesthesia where you are intubated, there's always the chance that you might hear something from the reality of the morning. However, it usually pairs into your dream, and what is reality and what is your dream is a very fine line. Back to the monitoring, the CRNA is with you the entire time, and that's part of what we're monitoring. Not just, your blood pressure and your oxygenation and your ventilation, but we're also looking at your level of comfort and sedation. So those numbers tell us a picture. Your breathing rate tells us a picture. Your comfort level, like in how your body's moving or not moving, it all tells us something. We're right there walking that line, making sure you're in that dreamlike state, but very, very comfortable. And again, like I said, if there's any kind of recollection, it's a really fine line of what was reality and what was part of the dream.